Hey there, welcome to my Travel Tips by Laurie YouTube channel. I am a pilot wife who YouTubes travel tip videos to help you travel the globe without a worry in the world. I used to teach elementary school, so making YouTube videos is a different way of teaching, I think. A lot of you have shared travel tips with me and travel hacks that have worked for you. So I have about 4 travel hack videos for you. I also have some cruise ship travel tip videos that I've made recently, and recently I've really been having lots of packing tip ideas, tricks that I have used for packing and choosing outfits. I have one video about what it's like to be a pilot wife. There are a lot of misconceptions now that The Bachelor has had a pilot for their Bachelor this season. Anyway, I don't want to waste your time with my videos, and I really appreciate the time it takes for you to watch my videos. If you have any travel tips or questions, or like the coronavirus, if you have those kind of questions, list them below. Leave me a comment, introduce yourself, tell me where you're going to, how many times you've been there. I want to know all the vacations of a lifetime that you are going to get to go on and what your packing needs might be, or if I've ever been to that location, I can tell you about that location. So let's get to know each other and pop around, move around, all kinds of videos that I've listed for you. Now, my old channel used to be called Laurie Pop. So when you see some of my old really bad videos that have like 1 million views, know that that's under my old name. Now I just make travel tip videos. Thanks again for visiting, and don't forget to introduce yourself below.